Dear students, on behalf of School of Hospitality, I welcome you all. My name is Mr. Himanshu Sharma. I am the faculty looking after housekeeping department and I will be teaching you foundation course in housekeeping operations 1. The subject code is BSCH 1004. Today being the first class, I'll be teaching you on the topic role of housekeeping in hospitality operations. I'm sure you're going to really enjoy this session. The objectives that we are going to cover in this session are to be able to understand the hotel industry, to understand the various departments in a hotel, and to understand the role of housekeeping department in the hospitality industry. So let us discuss in detail. What do you understand by a hotel? What is a hotel? A hotel is a commercial establishment that provides lodging in the form of stay, meals, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner, and guest services such as spa, gym, sauna, swimming pool, etc. So all the departments within a hotel are broadly categorized into two groups. One is the operational department, also known as the core department, and the other is the administrative department, also known as the support department. The core department consists of four major departments. You have food production, you have food front office, food and beverage service, and housekeeping. Food production, as stated earlier, looks after preparing the food for the customers as well as for the staff. Front office is mainly responsible for the booking of the rooms, for the check-in and check-out of the customers, assisting the customers with their luggage, and providing them various other facilities such as concierge. You have a housekeeping department. The housekeeping department is mainly responsible for the cleanliness and maintenance of the area. Not only limited to the guest room, but also in the lobby area, in the restaurant area, in the guest corridor, swimming pool area, gym, spa, etc. The third you have is the food and beverage service. Now this department is mainly responsible for providing the service for food and beverage. It can be subdivided into various sections such as restaurants, pubs, banquets, bars, etc. So all these four departments are the core departments or the major departments within the hotel. Now the supporting departments are the maintenance department, which assists the housekeeping department in making sure all the furniture or the wallpaper, carpets, etc. are in fit condition. As and when required, they can either be replaced or repaired. You have the accounts department, which looks after all the financial transactions. The human resource department, which is responsible for the hiring of the staff. The security department for the safety and security. Purchase department, which is responsible for all the purchases that are done by the hotel, whether they are perishable or non-perishable. Stores for storing all these items. And sales and marketing department in order to get more business for the hotel. So have you ever thought what are the major source of income for the hotel industry? Well, there are two. First, the rooms, and the second is food. However, a point to note over here is food is perishable, whereas room is non-perishable. That means room can be reused again and again. If I have to tell you, the sales of rooms contributes approximately 50% or more to the total revenue of the hotel. That is a major chunk of the income. So a room sales occurs when a room is leased for occupation for 24 hours at a predetermined cost. So from the point of view of the guest, what does a room really mean to him? Well, a guest has got the following points: comfort, security, privacy and convenience, cleanliness and hygiene, and a home away from home. These are the things that a guest looks into a room. If any of the points is missing, definitely his stay experience will not be good, which in turn would be bad for the business of the hotel. So if we talk about the importance of room sales, the guest rooms are the heart of the hotel. If the rooms are not properly decorated, there is odor in the air, the furnishing and upholstery is not clean, definitely the hotel may lose a guest, and this would directly affect the total sales of the hotel. So the housekeeping department not only prepares the clean guest room on a timely basis for the guest, but also cleans and maintains everything in the hotel. The housekeeping thus contributes in a big way towards the overall reputation of a property. Thus, if we talk about housekeeping, we can define it as an operational department of the hotel. It is responsible for the cleanliness, maintenance, aesthetic upkeep of rooms, public areas, back areas, and surroundings. So with this, we come to the end of the class. I really hope that you enjoyed the session. If there are any questions, queries, or doubts that you might so have, you may kindly contact me and ask me. I would be more than happy to assist you. I really look forward to meeting you in the next class. So with that, thank you very much. Have a great day. For reference purpose, I have jotted down a few websites, name of books, and website links for the students to access and gather additional information. Please understand that this class is not limited to the PPT that I have shared with you. For further information, you may kindly access the reference links. I hope it would be helpful to you. For any doubts, you may kindly contact me. Thank you.